Money Bandit train is rolling. Choo 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 choo. Next stop, Moneybell. Are you on Money Bandit train? Beach. Recap. Saturday, January 9th. Money Bandit. 4-unit lock of the day. Next stop, minor setback valve. But for all you fade players, next stop, Moneybell. Choo 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 choo. Late night special from the Money Bandit. Next stop, minor setback valve. But for all you fade players, next stop, Moneybell. Choo 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 choo. The always popular early bird special. Next stop, Moneybell. Choo 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 choo. Number one best play of the day. Next stop, Moneybell. Choo 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 choo. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Make a donation, support the channel. Sunday, January 10th. College basketball. Money Bandits, always popular. Early bird special. All aboard. Choo choo, the early bird special train is rolling. Money Bandit, the number one ranked, 100% free sports capper in the world. No credit cards needed. No $1,000 package deals for the season. No $100 weekend package deals. No $30 a day package deals. 100% free. No credit cards needed. You got the Money Bandit train, fade or no fade train. You got the fade or no fade game. Be sure to play the fade or no fade game. Check out JP in the comments. He's the fade or no fade game expert, master. Check him out. Hey, college basketball. MD-Baltimore versus New Hampshire. Early bird special. Money Bandit taking MD-Baltimore first half money line. Play MD-Baltimore first half money line for the Money Bandits. Early bird special. Where you fade or no fade Money Bandit. Money Group.